Hello and welcome to Scarborough Toyota. Today we're looking at the 2018 Toyota RAV4 Limited Hybrid. This vehicle comes finished with a blue exterior and black interior. It includes features such as keyless remote entry, voice-activated Bluetooth, heated seats, lane tracing assist, vehicle sensors, dual climate control with AC, cruise control, 18-inch alloy wheels, and so much more. Looking at the front of this vehicle, you'll notice that you have your LED projected headlights, daytime running lights, fog lights. And as you look on the inside of the vehicle, starting with the door panel first, you have your seat memory, power locks, power windows, power side tilting mirrors, lane tracing assist, heated steering wheel switch, and your trunk liftgate switch. Here you have your power adjustable leather bucket seating with your sunroof and overhead controls. On the left side of your leather wrapped heated steering wheel, you have your media controls as well as your hands-free calling, voice activated Bluetooth. And on the right hand side, you have your driver information display controls, pre-collision system, and your cruise control. Above, you have this well-lit, well-gauged cluster and driver information display. Over to the right, you have your color display with various vehicle apps like navigation, as well as your wide-angle reverse camera with bird's eye view. Down below, you have your dual climate control with AC, heated seats controls, eco and sport mode controls, heated windshield washer fluid switch, and your AUX input. Cup holders, automatic gear selector, emergency brake handle, and your armrest with storage compartment. Looking in the back of the vehicle, you have your leather bench seat with center folding armrests and cup holders. And finally, here in the trunk, with plenty of cargo room, beneath the floor itself, you'll find your spare tire and emergency toolkit. And there you have it, the 2018 Toyota RAV4 Limited Hybrid. This well-equipped SUV comes with all the features you can want on the inside and looks amazing on the outside. To book a test drive or to get more information on this vehicle, come on down and check us out. Thanks for watching and have a great day.